Hey, Team Newest Canada. That's what I call my subscribers. Hello, coin collectors, young and old, and anyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Newest Canada with Bruce. And today, if you saw my memorial video, you will have an idea of what's coming. But what's in these boxes, we will reveal right after this. Welcome back. And if you saw my memorial to Queen Elizabeth, then you will have seen a preview of these coins. Well, I'd like to introduce them to you. There's actually two sets here. This is the set that was done in 2008 and 2009. And of course, that's Queen Victoria. And these are high relief coins. This is the entire royal family and rulers of Canada. From here through here. And this is the Prince of Wales now, and his son will be the next in line, but we can't ignore Harry because he is a beloved child of his father. But we have Queen Victoria here, and I will put the detail of her reign in the notes below the screen. Now, these coins were released in 2008 and 2009, and they're $15 silver coins, and of course they have Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth on the obverse of all of them with a mint logo. And following, now what you will notice is when we switch from monarch to monarch, with one exception, they face the opposite direction. So this is King Edward. And Queen Elizabeth. And you will notice that when they go from monarch to monarch, they switch directions. Now there is one exception to that, but King Edward to King George V are facing opposite directions. And this is King George V. And Queen Elizabeth. And this is King George VI. Now, this is in where there was an exception to the rule. They allowed him to face the same direction as his father. And that's why he's not wearing the crown, because he didn't wear the crown because he wanted to face the same direction. And that's King George VI. Queen Elizabeth's father. And there's Queen Elizabeth. And next in, and of course, again, Queen Elizabeth and her father face opposite directions. And had these two opposite directions, Queen Elizabeth would be facing the other way. But as a result, she's facing the direction that we've grown accustomed to. And there's Queen Elizabeth when she was first coronated. And there is her in her final portrait on Canadian coins. And these 5 were in a set unto themselves. And as far as I know, these haven't really gained price since they were released. Each coin was $100 a piece. So this set is worth $500. But I would expect now that these are more valuable with the death of Queen Elizabeth. Peace be on her. And this is now, while this coin says Prince Charles, this is actually King Charles III. And on his coins coming up, he will be facing the opposite direction of Queen Elizabeth. At least that is what is expected. So he will be facing left instead of right. And these ones were released in 2011. So these were a couple years after these first 5. But this was called the royal leaders for Canada, and this is the continuity of the crown. This series. This is Prince Charles imaged on this coin, but he is King Charles III now, and God save the king. And there's his mother. And this is Prince William, who is now the Prince of Wales and next in line for the throne. And of course, when his father goes, he will become king. And he will face the same direction as Queen Elizabeth if the tradition holds true. And this is Prince Harry. And of course, he is no longer an heir to the throne because Prince William's son is the next in line for the throne. Should anything has happened to his father. And these coins, these 3 coins are actually more valuable than these 5 coins. These 3 coins are currently selling for about $130 a piece. These ones have appreciated in price. But I just wanted to share this lovely set with you because This is a centerpiece in my collection, and I really treasure these coins because I am a monarchist and I love the royal family. And God bless Queen Elizabeth and God save the King. Well, I just want to remind you that the promo pack that I offer helps support to supply these prizes that I have that I buy for each of the giveaways that I do. They help to support it. And we're coming up on 900 subs soon. And this is the giveaway for 900 subs in honor of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth, a beautifully toned 9999 pure silver maple leaf. And it's toned because it was loved by the person who had it previously and kept it as a pocket piece. So it is a little bit worn, but it is beautiful. And it's a 2004 silver maple. And this is the 900 subs giveaway. Now, after 900 subs is a big giveaway. So it has taken me some time to gather what those prizes will be. And I hope to have quite a few. And if you'd like to donate a prize to the 1,000 subs giveaway, because these are all prizes in the 1,000 sub giveaway, including this gold coin with the canoe, the same image that's on the silver dollars. All these, this will be the first prize for the 1,000 subs giveaway. And then there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 additional prizes so far. I hope to make it a minimum of 10, one for each 1,000, but I have some more purchasing to do. So please go ahead and purchase the promo pack with a minimum suggested donation of $5.50. So by all means. And if you want more than one of the dollars that are being included, buy 3 packages and you'll have all 3. How cool is that? And it includes the colorized blue nose dime, the double dated uncolorized blue nose dime, and the regular double dated blue nose dime. And we'll bring that up so that you can see those up close. You will get those 3 coins, and included will also be a BU penny from the 70s. This one's 1974. And of course, there's that sign. And I said in my last video, the next 10 people will have their choice of one of 3 commemorative 2022 loons. And of course, in this package is the Klondike coin, and of course it is brilliant uncirculated straight from the roll. And On here is the Queen Elizabeth is on that side. Or you can choose the uncolorized Oscar Peterson dollar or the colorized Oscar Peterson dollar. Now we have had one purchase already, and that individual chose the Klondike coin, the Klondike Gold Rush coin. But you will get both my How Cool Is That sticker, my How Cool Is That magnet, my 2020 sticker, my 2022 sticker, my 2022 iridescent sticker, and my 2020 magnet. You will get these 4 coins with this 1 coin as a bonus for the next 9 people who purchase this promo pack for $5.50. Now, it doesn't end there, because when I reach 10 people who have purchased this, there will be a draw for a 2022 classic uncirculated set. And that has all of the circulation, all of the regular circulation coins for 2020, including the loonie, the toonie, the $50, the quarter, the dime, and the nickel. And there's the queen on the other side. So one of the 10 who purchase the promo pack will go on a wheel, and there will be one winner who will be the lucky winner for this 2022 classic uncirculated coin set. And this year it features the loon. And there you go. How cool is that? So $5.50 gets you all of this that you see on the table for the next 9 purchasers, plus an opportunity to be entered in a 1 in 10 draw for this. How cool is that? That's all we have for you today. Thank you for indulging me in this video, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.